Hello, gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, a urologist and men's health specialist. If you're a man over 50 and you're still drinking plain water all day thinking you're doing your body a favor, I have some surprising news for you. Today, we'll uncover why plain water may not be enough for hydration after midlife, what vital minerals your body actually needs, and how one simple addition can boost your blood flow, energy, and performance like never before. Here's the shocking part. By age 50, the body's ability to absorb and retain minerals, especially magnesium and potassium, declines by over 25%. So even if you drink 8 glasses of pure water, most of it passes straight through without nourishing your cells. That's why men start feeling sluggish, dizzy, and weak, even when they stay hydrated. It's not the water that's missing, it's the minerals inside it. Why hydration changes. As we age, our kidneys lose efficiency in balancing electrolytes. Sodium-potassium pumps in our cells slow down, reducing muscle and nerve responsiveness. Testosterone levels decline, which indirectly affects water distribution and vascular tone. Study reference. A 2018 paper in the Journal of Gerontology found that adults over 55 show a 17% reduction in intracellular water, meaning less water inside the cells, even with normal fluid intake. Translation: your cells are thirsty, even if you're drinking plenty of water. 2. What plain water dehydration really means. Plain water dilutes existing electrolytes in your bloodstream when you're already low on minerals. This is called hyponatremic dehydration, not because you lack water, but because you lack the minerals that hold that water in place. Symptoms: fatigue and low stamina, muscle cramps, brain fog, low libido, and erectile issues. When the balance shifts, your blood can't circulate efficiently, and tissues receive less oxygen, including those responsible for sexual performance. 3. The mineral that matters most, magnesium. If I had to pick one mineral every man over 50 should add to his water, it's magnesium. Magnesium activates over 300 enzymes, including those regulating blood vessel relaxation. It helps the body produce nitric oxide, NO, the same molecule targeted by ED medications. It supports heart rhythm, reduces muscle stiffness, and promotes deeper sleep. Clinical reference: the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2019, reported that magnesium supplementation improved endothelial function by 12% in men over 50 within just 6 weeks. 4. Other supporting minerals. 1. Potassium. Balances sodium, lowers blood pressure, and prevents water retention. Found in coconut water, bananas, avocados. 2. Sodium, smart amounts. Don't eliminate salt completely. Use sea salt or Himalayan salt in small amounts for mineral trace elements. 3. Zinc. Supports testosterone production and prostate health. A 2020 study in Nutrients Journal found older men with higher zinc levels had better blood flow responses. 5. How to make mineral water at home. Here's my simple doctor-approved recipe for performance water. Dr. Olivia Parker's Mineral Hydration Mix. 1 liter of filtered water, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt or Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon of magnesium citrate powder or 200 milligram capsule dissolved. A squeeze of lemon juice adds potassium plus vitamin C. Optional: 1/2 teaspoon raw honey for taste and natural glucose. Drink 1 bottle of this slowly throughout the morning. Your energy, focus, and circulation will noticeably improve within days. 6. The science of blood flow and nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessel walls, improving nutrient delivery. Magnesium plus potassium plus hydration equals optimal NO production. Dehydration stiffens blood vessels, reducing flow to the heart, brain, and reproductive organs. Study reference. A 2021 Harvard Health report linked proper magnesium intake to a 36% reduction in vascular stiffness among older adults. Better flow means better performance, physically, mentally, and sexually. 7. Signs you need mineral support. Ask yourself, do I wake up tired even after 7 to 8 hours? Do I get calf cramps or numbness in my legs? Do I feel dizzy after drinking a lot of water? Is my libido or stamina lower than before? If you said yes to 2 or more, your body might be mineral depleted. Gentlemen, staying hydrated after 50 isn't just about drinking water, it's about drinking smart water. Add magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals, and you'll see your energy, clarity, and blood flow return. Remember, your body doesn't lose youth overnight. It loses minerals quietly. Start replenishing them today. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, urologist and men's health expert. If this helped you, share it with another man over 50, and let's help every man age with strength, confidence, and vitality.